Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the place enlargement effect to your clip in CapCut PC so easily. So for instance, I am going to select media and local, import your videos or photo select edit, and for example, I'm going to select the video track and select animation right here, select combo animation, and you can find the place and enlargement 1 or enlargement 2. Oops, sorry, I'm going to change or the clip. Go to animation, select place enlargement 1. For the second clip, place enlargement 2. Just download it and add to your clip. Otherwise, enlargement 1 again. We're gonna just for duration and full duration because previously I set it image duration in 2.0 seconds. So this is the final effect you have on your clip, your video. So super simple and awesome effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.